What's up, guys? Hey, this is James Hurst. I am one of the top ClickFunnels affiliates, and I'm bringing you another bonus tool here for you to check out. This is what I call the CF Affiliate Auditor. Now, what in the heck is that? This is a brand new tool that I made, and basically what it does is it basically audits your affiliate report, right? I hate to say it, for whatever reason, sometimes there's little glitches, and sometimes there's some stuff in the report that needs to be sent over to support, and you need to get those taken care of, right? Typically, the most common one is a refund you're seeing a refund in your report, and it shouldn't be there, basically. So if there's a brand new refund that you've never gotten paid on originally, on something, you can't have a refund for something that you haven't been paid on originally. That's what the basic concept is, okay? And so when do you want to run this report? When do you want to use this tool? Anytime you see a refund in your bars, in your spreadsheet, anytime you see a refund, you just want to come in here. You need to pull an all-time report because it can't just look back 7 days. It needs to have that entire history to see if they've ever paid you, so they can see if that refund needs to be flagged. Okay, so basically what happened was I was doing this by hand. I turned it into a plugin, turned it into a website, a tool. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how you use it. So it just takes 4 things: last name, your first name and last name, your email address. We're going to shoot the results of the report over to you, and then you need to put in the URL of your report. Okay, so like here's an example of what that looks like. You get an email, or if you actually just somehow get the URL of the report. Like if you right here, like you can just right click here and copy the link address, or then you would just come over here and put that right in there like that. Okay. So, or you can get it out of an email, however you do that. Now you do need to pull an all-time report here. So here's an example. So on Tuesday here I had a negative amount. I would want to run the report then. Here I have a negative 227, and I'd want to pull the report then. So I'm going to come into here, date range, and here I'm going to go all-time. I'm going to go filter, and I'm going to scroll down to the very, very bottom, and I'm going to click download that report. I'm either going to get that report like from here. If you actually click on it, you can also maybe get the URL. If you actually click the down, I guess it just brings it right in. Depending or not, it may bring it into the browser, but you want to just get the URL of the report either from your email, like I said here, or you can right click and copy the link address and just paste that right in here. Now, I've got a lot more stuff than this, okay? A lot more tooling. I've been around for a while, made a lot of cool tools for the affiliates. I have my own Facebook group. I would like to take that email address that you give me, send you the report, but then also get to know each other better and be able to have an opportunity to show you some of the other stuff that you might be interested. And it's for sale, or it's totally for free as a bonus for using my links for ClickFunnels. Okay, so that's why I made this, is to help people out, but also as an opportunity to be able to show you some of the other things that I've done as well that I hope you'll find valuable. So that's pretty much it. If you want to see the results, let's just do it right now. So let's actually take this one here and copy the link address, and I'm going to go ahead and paste this in here. I'm going to overwrite that one, put that one in. I'll put my name, James Hurst, put my email, and I'm going to hit submit. Boom, process is running. Results are being emailed to you. It's actually pretty fast, pretty cool. So come over here to the inbox, do a refresh, see if there it is. Boom. So, hi James, the affiliate auditor. It looks safe. Yes, it does. The affiliate auditors have flagged the following payments. I'll blur out these emails for their privacy and mine. And it actually will compose the email to support. You could pretty much just forward this on to support. I want you to manually review it as well, okay? But basically what it does, it just groups all the transactions you've ever had for this. Now in this case here, 118.80, that's for Edison Suite. If you see a negative 80, that's not necessarily wrong, because that's actually the exact amount if they're going to be downgrading to the startup plan. Okay, but it will flag it for you, let you manually look at this, right? But something like an 1198 click start all by itself, like that that's a problem. That's the only record in there, right? Um, and so I just fire off email their support. They say, yeah, you're right, and they reverse it, right? That's $1,200 back in my pocket. So this is really important to go through this, right? And I'll just, yeah, I mean, yeah, I'll just say that you can sit here, come over here, and it says, hey, go ahead and forward this off, and you can just send it right over to billing@clickfunnels.com, right? And then just take out the first part that's kind of addressed to you. I would just go like that, and there you go. You kind of have your email. If you like, okay, that one is Edison Suite, yeah, that one probably is a downgrade. You can just take this, you can just take that there and get rid of it. This one, you know, you just look through them, go pull your report, and just manually review it, and then boom, send it off. And hey, just let me know if you were able to win back any of these little glitch refunds things. Hopefully they fix it at some point in time, but until then, I want you to be on top of your earnings and whatnot. So hopefully that's super helpful for you guys, and let me know what you think of it, and let me know if, I mean, this is a beta. I mean, this is like brand new. It's not perfect. I'm always making it better. So let us know if you have any suggestions or feedback for it, and we'll always be making it better for you along with all the other tools that I make. So take care. We'll catch you next time. Thanks. Bye.